Today on Deck and Jew, we are making a rhubarb cocktail.
For springtime.
What else?
Because it's the only seasonal thing that's out right now.
It's raining outside, it's a dark, dreary day, but we have rhubarb. So,
No strawberries because they're not here yet,
no.
right? We don't get strawberries till like middle of June.
Yep, this is actually from a friend's backyard. We put a cup and a half of water and a cup of white cane sugar in there, and we're gonna make a rhubarb simple syrup. So I'm just going to chop up a cup, just like roughly, of rhubarb. Okay. So then we're gonna add the juice of a lemon. We are going to put it on the stovetop and bring it to a light simmer. And you want to simmer it until the sugar is completely dissolved. And yep.
The longer you let it simmer, the more rhubarb flavor you will have in your syrup. So if you want something that's a little bit more tart and sour, you can let it simmer for a little bit longer.
We let it simmer for about 15 minutes and then we just let it cool with the rhubarb still in it.
Look how cute a pink it is.
And now we're just going to strain it. We don't want the rhubarb chunks.
I'm over here making lime twists.
She's dirtied like 3 different knives trying to do this. All right, so into our trusty cocktail shaker.
Mr. Penguin.
This one's a penguin. Julie hates this thing, but
You weirdly like it.
I do.
I don't hate it.
Okay. This is for 2 cocktails. So we have 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lime juice, and there's ice in here. 4 ounces of our rhubarb simple syrup. 4 ounces of gin. What are you doing over there?
I'm trying to make twists, but it's really hard to get all the pulp off.
What a disaster.
I'm doing this for you. You asked for it.
All right, we'll give it a good shake. You just shake it for about 20 seconds until the outside of the shaker gets really cold. Also, you could just serve this over the rocks and
Dakota's preferred method of drinking
I
cocktails.
don't really like drinks served up, but Julie does, so we do it that way.
It's all about me. So you can see the outside of the cocktail shaker is getting really cold. You can like
Frosty.
it. Yeah, and that's what you want.
Frosty.
If you shake it too long, then you start to dilute your drink, which no one likes a diluted drink.
D&J. And then pour it between your 2 glasses.
Who doesn't love a pink drink?
I love a pink drink, unless it's a pink panty dropper. Ugh. Ugh. And then we're just gonna top it with a little bit of soda water because
Everyone likes a bubble.
we like a little effervescence.
Adorbs.
Adorbs, yes. Cheers.
Cheers. Pinkies up. Well, first of all, it's the cutest cocktail. It feels really springy.
It does.
And like the tartness from the lemon and the lime juice
And the rhubarb.
You might think that would be too much tart going on, but I really don't think it is.
You just add a little bit of soda water so that it's not too sweet, and that's when you can play with it as well. So if it's too sweet for you and like a little too simple syrupy, then definitely add more soda water.
But I love a cocktail where you can kind of tailor it to what you like in terms of flavor.
For sure.
The perfect sunny day cocktail on a very not sunny day.
Sunny in my heart.